Welcome to Card Corner. These are the cards. That's the corner. Today I've got these album sticker Pokemon Pokedex cards. Looks like it comes with 5 stickers and 1 card. I picked these up at a local card show. I thought that it would be cool to open these because normally all of the Pokemon cards come as like that game, the Pokemon game. So I thought it would be cool to see some that are just more generic cards. I didn't notice this when I got them, but it looks like they are Spanish, maybe from Mexico. But let's check it out. I'm really looking forward to seeing what the 1 card is going to be. I think for like Pokemon that I'd like to see, the top of the list for me would be Hitmonlee or Hitmonchan, the Bruce Lee and Jackie Chan themed Pokemon. All right. Ooh, it's stuck to the card. All right, looks like our card is some kind of puzzle. That bird Pokemon there. I remember this guy. He was one of the starters, and I think this guy is Wobbuffet. He was one of the Team Rocket guys, but as far as cards go, I find this one a little bit underwhelming. We also get Graveler and Arcanine. Definitely a couple I recognize. Oh, they're foil too. Gets Espeon and Umbreon. I believe that's the Fairy and Dark type EVs. We get Murkrow and Slowking. I don't know. I guess I know Slowking, but the original 151 Pokemon, like this, goes into this guy. What is it? Slowpoke and Slowbro turned into Slowking and Murkrow. Next, we've got Unknown and Misdreavus. I guess he's kind of like the Magnetite guy, just for the more advanced Pokemon games. Here we've got Girafarig and Pineco, a giraffe and pinecone Pokemon. I think that the best ones are the shiny ones. They kind of got this texture to them too. All right, let's open our last pack. All right, it's another puzzle card. Got some logos on the edge there. And a bunch of Pichus fighting dragon guy who I'm not familiar with. Second generation, I guess. I don't remember this guy, although I did play Pokemon Gold. Oh, is this it? Tyranitar? And I know Trico as one of the starters. I think that I picked him when I played too. All right, we got a couple of the originals. It's in Shelder and Muck. And Skiploom and Jump Luff. I don't know why they put the numbers on the back. I think this is kind of garbage once you take the sticker off. All right, we got the Misty Special. It's Sea King and Staryu. Another, was this Misty's or Ashes? I can't remember. Psyduck and the Meowth Evolution Persian. All right, guys, that is it for the Pokemon album sticker cards. I'm kind of glad I only got a couple of packs of them. I do like it when they have like cards of the different guys as opposed to like moments and stuff, but I think that they could have done a better job. I know they're stickers, but it could have a little bit more information, and it would be better if they were cards too. And the cards in the set, not really a huge fan of these, but let me know what you think of these cards in the comments. If you want to trade for any of the cards, the information on how to do that is on the About page of the YouTube channel. Take it easy.